What is good, fam? It's your boy Boost Jedi 420 back with another video for y'all. YouTube, today we're gonna be talking about how I'm rebranding myself as Boost Jedi 420 because apparently having a dipshit name like Boost Jedi 420 guarantees that you'll hit a Dunk SB raffle in the year 2021. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm still SB Mitch. That's not going anywhere. Hi, welcome to the channel. I said what my name is just now, so I'm not gonna repeat myself. But you can follow me on Twitter and Twitch, and you can subscribe to the channel if you like seeing videos that are exactly the same, because I am a one-trick pony. I'm just kidding. I wish I was a pony. Then I'd be super strong and beautiful. Hi, pals. It's Friday and I have one good idea, so we're opening a beater box. This one is like every other box. It's from Sole Supremacy. This box is $950 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $1,000. The last box that was a grand total of $1,000 had 18 pairs of mostly grade school Jordans in them. So that was cool. Hopefully that doesn't happen again, because if it does, I'll probably jump into an active volcano. Let's see what's in here. Oh, clearance. Follow clearance. It's a counter. You know what they do. Let's open the box now. Okay, looks like there's actual human sizes in here. Actually looks pretty good so far. All right, there's two loose pairs. Let's grab this first one out. So this, oh wow, there's actually three loose pairs in here. There's just one hiding. Three loose pairs. I'm getting this one out of the way because it's not really that awesome. This is a size US men's 9.5. We got a Jordan Future. I don't know what the colorway is, but I mean, it's just a knitted Jordan 11, basically. Triple black looking type thing. A little bit of like it's like a 72 and 10 kind of outsole, maybe a little bit clearer, but full Jumpman on the insole, so that's not bad. These just don't have a whole lot of value, especially without a box. Still kind of a cool concept for a shoe. 9.5, Jordan Future. Hey, if you want to buy those, they'll be on my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that website is boostjedi420.com. It's at sbmitch.com. Okay, another worn pair without a box. This is a size US men's 10. I don't know what the colorway is, but it's an Air Max 98. Not a very bad silhouette, even though I'm not a really big fan of any Air Max that isn't 1 or 90. There's a good amount of insole wear. Outsole is pretty worn. There's a lot of drag on the forefoot right there, but it's a simple colorway. It looks like a newer release that was just worn pretty heavily. Yeah, these came out in 2020 or 2019, so if you're into it, cool. Size 10, Air Max 98. This is a Jordan 12. It's a size US men's 7.5. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what colorway this is. It's real simple, but it's not really an OG colorway, so I'm not very familiar with what it could be called. It's a cool colorway, and Jordan 12s are actually not a bad silhouette. 7.5 is a pretty rough size for a Jordan 12, but here's some outsole wear. Pretty clean, not much drag, just needs a good cleanup. There is a full red Jumpman in there. I don't know if it's gonna pick it up, but this is a cool looking shoe. Not a great size, but 7.5 is the size. Good at videos. Looks like there's a good amount of shoes in here still. Yeah, this is an older Jordan. Got a size 9 Jordan 11 Retro in that iconic Jordan 11 box. It is a Space Jam. It's a 2009 edition, which I kind of prefer a little bit. Wow, holy cow. I think these are dead stock. Yep. Size 9, 2009 release. Space Jam 11s in dead stock condition. Still factory laced. Still has the original plastic insole on there. There is a little bit, or plastic shoe tree. There is a little bit of outsole discoloration because it is a 12-year-old shoe. This is a good get. It's a little bit older, so it might have a little bit, I don't know if it'll be a hard time to move. A lot of people really like this release better than the 2016, so size 9. Space Jam 11s from 2009 in dead stock condition. Pretty cool. This is a good box already. But then again, I'm comparing it to the last $950 box. And let's be honest, a box of aluminum cans would be better than that one. Size 9 Jordan 7 Retro, that iconic mid-2000s Jordan kind of box. These look to be worn, but wow, are they in great shape. These are Cardinal 7s, I think. I'm not 100% sure. I'm like 95% sure. They're in really great condition. You can't really, I mean, They're worn. The only reason I know they're worn is because of the toe box creasing, but overall the shoe is in phenomenal shape. There's a full Jumpman inside of there. Hopefully it picks it up. I don't really know anymore. But yeah, wow. Really great era and a really great shoe. Size 9, Cardinal 7s. Good release. Dang, my buddy Christian might be interested in some of these. Let's do this. I'm not a huge Kobe guy, so I don't really know. This is a size 12 Nike Zoom Kobe 7. These I actually know. This is a good release because I had one for a long time. These are worn, but again, in really great condition, just some insole wear. These are the Kobe 7 Sharks. It's got this like ocean water type thing upper on it, which is pretty cool. It's a little bit discolored. These are in really great shape, really well taken care of, and it's a really good size for Kobe's because Kobe's don't really move very well in smaller sizes, and these are in good enough shape. Look at that outsole. Pretty pristine if you ask me. There's just some insole wear if it picks it up. Dang, cool. Size 12. Kobe 7 Sharks. Good release. Good box so far. Nice. This is the very first one of these I've ever gotten. Sole Supremacy makes their own replacement boxes. This one's a little bit beat up, but it does have their logo on it, which is pretty cool. It says it's a 700, Yeezy 700 in a size 8.5 in the mauve colorway, and that's exactly what they are. I'm gonna guess that they're worn. This is probably another shoe from their worn section, but they're in really great shape. You can see the outsole discoloration, boost discoloration is minimal, or there's none on here. I think they came from Sole Supremacy's worn section, and they're just very well cleaned and very well taken care of. So 8.5 is a good size for these too, and if I'm being honest, 700 V1s are a very cool silhouette that move really well. So there you go, 8.5, 700s. This box is very good so far in my opinion. Two more in here. I'm gonna grab this one. Let's get Jordan 12 probably. Yeah, it's a Jordan 12 in a size 9.5. The shoe that was referred to online as them 12s. And they're dead stock, size 9.5. This is the University Gold and Black Jordan 12 release. These are from like last year or something like that. I personally like yellow and black colorways. I'm not a Steelers fan, don't get me wrong. It's just colorways that I like, and these are unworn. There is a little bit of, looks like scuffing from storage. It's already coming off, just rubbing it, so I'll just clean it off real quick. Yeah, really nice colorway. If you're into fits, apparently this goes with a lot of Pittsburgh-themed sports stuff. Can't really complain, dead stock. I don't really have much to say because it's a dead stock pair, and I'm thrilled with this box so far. So there you go, size 9.5, Jordan 12, University Gold. Got one more in here. It's a size 9 Jordan 4 Retro. And these are in really great shape too. They're worn, but there's no paint cracking, no star loss. These are really well kept. This is the Fire Red 4 release from 2012, I think. It's not very old. These are really, really well taken care of. Full Jumpman and a size sticker in there. Look at this outsole. It's pristine. There's no star loss. There's just a little bit of toe box creasing right there, but otherwise, it's hard to tell that these are worn. So awesome. Really great shape. OG colors, OG colorway. This is like probably one of the best top offs to this box that I could imagine. Size 9, Jordan 4 Fire Red. And that is the $950 Sole Supremacy beater box. We got a good one finally. But let's see what the numbers say. Yes, I'm very happy with this box. This is just a really great through and through box. There's a couple, lesser value pairs in here, but overall, I think these are all really great shoes, and I think this is gonna be an easy box to move, and it's gonna have a lot of profit. So if you wanna buy any of these, they're gonna be on my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that website is sbmitch.com, not boostjedi420.com. Speaking of, no. Before that happens, they're gonna be clean and disinfected with the Reshoevn8r family of products, and if you want to clean your sneakers with the Reshoevn8r family of products and save yourself some money, I got a deal for you. Here's what you do. Use my code SBMitch10 at checkout on Reshoevn8r.com, and you will save 10% on your entire order. And they have free shipping, so it's not like you're saving on shipping, you're saving on your actual entire order, which is pretty awesome. Thanks for watching. I'm jazzed on this box because it's really good. So say hi in the comments or do whatever. Whoop, just broke my glove because I'm fidgety. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Have a good rest of your weekend. Until next time, take care of each other. Remember to keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.